This week, Joe has a great tip that pet owners will love, but dogs don't like it at all.
You're right, Dan. If you have a dog, chances are you're going to have to put up a fence to keep the dog in the backyard. Now, that's your job, but the dog's job, of course, is to try to get out. And that's what Blackie here was doing. She was digging under the gate because, of course, there was a couple inches of space so the gate could open and close. So to solve that, I took a 4x4. This is a pressure-treated landscape 4x4, and I cut it to fit really tightly between the two gate posts.
I see.
I set it down at a height that it won't interfere with the gate, but there's just a little bit of space so Blackie can't squeeze underneath the gate. And I toe-nailed it in place with a couple of nails on each end.
Well, that should last a long time then, with it being material that's rated for ground contact.
Yep,
and
same as the gate posts.
Okay, and what, galvanized nails?
Galvanized nails. You could use decking screws as well. And in fact, I did this at one other gate, and Blackie tried digging underneath it once or twice and just gave up, and that was the end of the problem.
Okay, now you're going to backfill it afterwards?
Backfill it so it'll be nice and even, make a nice finished, durable threshold. And this also works great for garden gates to keep critters out for your vegetable garden.
Well, you probably haven't made a friend with Blackie, but I guess your roaming days are through.